What's up, y'all? This is Team Backpack, produced by C-Lance. Let's get it poppin'. Let's go.
G-Mo. Yo.
Team Backpack. I escaped the lake of fire. They call me the flame runner. Broke out the gates of hell. Got THC on the leaves, better believe D gon' keep a sagging his jeans. And my attitude is fuck, that's how I happen to be. And don't you worry about what happens to me, cause this is God's will. And whatever he don't cover, homie, I will. And why chill, why do that when I'm dead and gone? Even when my bread is long, I'll be the one that set it off. I said it all, never hesitated, not at all. Separate myself from the rest, you are not involved. If you do not progress, then you will not evolve. Go ahead and stay where you at, dog, problem solved.
Teambackpack.net. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. My name is Stars. Look. Who acting like they get villain? I'm packing up in the building, start cracking the package. That's boom, bapping, bomb in the building. Really raising the roof. Style up numb to the feeling. Hand burning, no feeling, Novocaine, Novocaine. Check the way the anesthesia. Taking your yard core. Nobody believe ya. Bonfire upon them. Sick to death can reduce the fever. Niggas know I'm coming, even Wayne is having seizures. Put your cash money on this nigga. Credit limit on this nigga. Double tuition money on this nigga. Look, motherfuckers need schooling from the land. Crips be the same as Sue Whoopers, big tooling. Splotter plane, canvas ain't hard.
Alright, well I got the Max's TRX 3.3 Nitro engine rebuilt. Took a little bit while to clean it, but it's pretty much in almost brand new condition. Turns over with pain, but I got them figured out.
Who give a fuck? Most dudes really suck. Tough you niggas what? Cut you niggas up and stuff you in the trunk. Burn you, then we burn you like the ashes in the blunt. I roll through the streets, harass me if you want. I pull tools on fools and they don't do nothing. A bullet in the ass of any dude that's running. Got fuck you, rig across the stomach. Cause I'ma die faded, smoking that with my youngest. Blunted, I dip, stick, and everybody be my target. Real life enactment, a Kendrick Lamar shit. Smoke indica, spit pure sativa. Excitement, I hype. All these believers. And each nut bigger than a teacup. I'ma smoke weed, motherfucker, better fix up, eat up. We get money off the books like the beat nuts. And I'm crushing on my hooks, nigga, feast up. Now nigga on the stage, faded me once, smoke weed, jump back and reach.